Hi, I'm attorney Colleen Fries, owner of Fries Legal Services. I'm based in Michigan and my law office is virtual and mobile, which means I can meet you wherever you are, online or in person. This channel is here to make estate planning and elder law approachable and easy to understand. Each week, I share practical information to help you protect yourself, your loved ones, and your future. Today, we're talking about long-term and Medicaid planning in Michigan, a topic many families don't think about until they're already in the middle of a crisis. Many people assume long-term care planning is something they can deal with later in life. The truth is, planning early gives you more options and more control. Long-term care includes services like in-home care, assisted living, and nursing home care. In Michigan, this type of care can be very expensive, and it often comes as a surprise to families who believe Medicare will cover the cost. Unfortunately, Medicare does not cover the kind of ongoing daily care many people eventually need. That's where many families run into trouble. Medicaid planning is the process of legally and thoughtfully preparing to qualify for Medicaid benefits if long-term care becomes necessary, while still protecting assets where possible. Medicaid is a needs-based program. This means eligibility depends on things like income, assets, marital status, and the type of care required. Without planning, families often don't learn these rules until care is urgently needed, when stress is high and options are limited. One of the most common things I hear is, you have to lose everything to qualify for Medicaid. That's simply not true. With proper planning, Michigan law allows certain assets to be protected, depending on your situation. Medicaid planning isn't about hiding money or doing anything improper. It's about understanding the rules and planning within them. When it comes to Medicaid planning, timing matters. Planning early preserves more options, prepares families for possible penalties Medicaid places on certain asset transfers, allows families to make informed and thoughtful decisions. Waiting until long-term care is urgently needed often means fewer choices and more financial strain. While finances are important, long-term care planning is about much more than that. It's also about choosing the type of care you would want, reducing stress on spouses and children, and preserving dignity and independence as long as possible. Good planning allows your loved ones to focus on caring for you, not scrambling to figure out legal and financial details. If you're concerned about future long-term care needs or want to make sure your family is prepared, now is the time to start the conversation. I can provide a detailed explanation of how Medicaid will treat your specific situation so you have the knowledge to make an informed decision about you or your loved one's long-term care needs. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe so you don't miss future videos on estate planning, elder law, and protecting your family's peace of mind. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.